distant nations comprehend every word you say, but I got a date with procrastination. I got a date, I don't wanna be late. I've got a problem with my education. Yeah, I got a problem that drives me insane. I've got a problem with the situation. I got a life without a brain. Without a brain.
Dude Matt in his bathtub.
And that pulls into the lineup for the outside set. There he goes, he's on his rack coming in. Get back into the suit. There he's bouncing his way to the inside. There he goes. Back again. Oh, to kick out. What a marvelous way. Yeah.
Theory, and I'd like to learn about philosophy. I'd like to learn a foreign language. Hey, maybe I'll do that eventually. But I gotta
Maybe you'll fall and I'll have it on film.
education.